everybody. We are right now in Manuel Quezon Museum in Baler, Aurora. So yeah, this is Manuel Quezon, one of the presidents of the Philippines. I think you know that already. Yeah, let's take a look at him. Gabriel is here. It's actually rainy, but we're just seizing the moment.
Yeah. Hi, Ma.
Hi, love. Yeah, that is Manuel Quezon. Love, can you go there? Mama is gonna take a picture of you. Okay, come here. Look at here. Say hi. Hi. Let's go. This one, we're going to the we're going to the museum. Yeah, they've got here traditional kubo, traditional houses. We've got there. Actually, the place is nice, but this time around it's raining, so yeah, problem. A huge tree. Gabriel running again, as usual. And there will be pay your. That is. It's a small museum inside.
What's that sound?
But it's good. It has a lot of paintings. You have to pay 50 pesos, and that's the green surrounding. Yes, now.
Ma, I want to walk by myself.
Just a big tree.
Ma,
The sound of the bird.
by myself.
I think the sound of the birds. Yeah, it's amazing.
Watch out of
There's a playground here, but it's
What
wet.
I said, watch out of the lava.
Okay, I'm watching out. Gabriel is in a swimwear because, or on a swimwear because
Jump.
he's going to swim after.
Jump.
Mama cannot jump because Mama is taking a video. You don't have to get angry. And here he goes again. He's again. Let's go here. Last look. The last look of Manuel Quezon. It's a small park, but yeah. Small park, a small museum. We're crossing the street. We're gonna go to, yes, another museum, I suppose. This one is, what does it say? Ah, okay. So this is the birthplace of Manuel Luis Quezon. Go up, slowly. Gabriel is going up slowly. Up the stairs. This is the house of Aurora. Doña Aurora.
Ma, it's so scary.
It's not scary.
Yes.
We're going to the church after.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a church after.
Ito talaga yung sigaw ng bahay na.
Mayroong silong, no?
Pero bago na siguro ito, first serve na siguro ito.
Siyempre. Gabriel, say hi. Where are you now, Bob?
I'm over here.
I'm in Baler.
I'm in Baba.
Can you show me your shirt? Can you please show me your shirt? Whoa, is that good?
I'm going over here.
Paintings. So good.
I'm going over.
This is Doña Aurora.
Hey, no, Papa! Yung anak mo!